Hi everyone! Tonight for supper I'll be making cornflake coated crispy bacon. What all goes into the cornflake coated crispy bacon? 12 slices of the thick cut bacon, 2 cups cornflakes crushed, 1/2 cup flour, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup milk, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika, and this is optional. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 375. Take a large baking sheet, line it with aluminum foil, and then put a baking rack on top of that. Take 3 shallow dishes. In the first one, you want to dump in your 1/2 cup of flour, the 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and the 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika if you're using, and mix that up. In the second one, you want to put our 2 eggs and the 1/4 cup of milk and whisk that together, and I'm using a Fisky for that, a fork and a whisk combined. Then the third dish, we're going to put our 2 cups of crushed cornflakes in that. And any of these, we may need to add more to it, but since we're only doing 12 or less bacons, we should be fine with that. Take a piece of bacon, put it in your flour mixture. Shake off the excess, then put it in your egg mixture. And I should be doing wet hand and dry hand, but I didn't think about it. Let the excess drip off of that, and then stick it in your cornflakes, and then just kind of push on it so they adhere to it. And Buddy smells bacon, so he's excited. And then lay it on your baking sheet, and then just continue doing that until you use up all of your bacon. You want to put them on there so they're not touching, so I got 7 on here, but that's enough for us for supper. So put your cornflake coated crispy bacon in a preheated 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the bacon is crispy and golden brown, but do keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. So here is the cornflake covered bacon. Rounding out the meal is scrambled eggs and a butter biscuit. Let's see what Dave thinks.
That looks like there's some bacon hiding in there.
It is cornflake coated crispy bacon.
Well, it sounds crispy. Or the cornflakes something sounds crispy. That's pretty good. I like that.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.